Hi, we're Sam. So today I'm going to be doing a slime video. I'm really excited to do a slime video with you guys. I'll be doing another slime video actually after this video. I'll be doing quite a few. So let's get started. So all you will need is a plastic container, like a bowl or whatever, and something to stir with. I'm using a pencil right now because I can't find my stirrers. We went shopping for loads of slime supplies. We got shaving cream, glue, and we got some food colouring. We got red and pink. But all you need is pink. You don't have to have food colouring. It's actually optional. But I really wanted food colouring because I wanted it to be pink and it'd be so pretty. And it's like only 75p, so that's really cool. Got red as well. And yes. So what else, the ingredients you need is food colouring, but you don't have to, it's optional. And then you can have shampoo or soap or conditioner or anything to do with shower gel and stuff. I'm using my shower gel, it's blue and it's a bubblegum scent. And no, it's a jelly bean scent, it's really nice. And soap, which is in here. Any soap, but yeah. So first you need to pour in some soap. Let's pour in soap. I'm not going to pour in all of it, I'm just going to pour in a little bit. And this is, yeah, you can add some in later. Yeah, I think that'll be enough for now. Wait, maybe a little bit more. Yeah, so that's enough for now. When you've added that in, pour some shampoo or whatever you've got. In this case, I've got shower gel. I'll pour like most of it in. I'm going to try and pour all of it in. I might just have some left for later. And then you just need to stir it. I've never done this one before, so I don't know if it actually works. I've got my other slimes downstairs, so I would show you. Wow, it's really cool right now. So, if you know me, obviously I went for a pink dye, which I told you already. So add in the dye, but you don't have to. But if you want to, then you would add it in. It's only a little bit because it actually comes out really quick. Smells really nice. Food colouring smells food colouring does smell really nice. I have like a mat on my dressing table right now, so I put it on. It's okay. Then you need to mix it. I have it on there because I'm doing slime. You mix it. It's really cool, and it smells adorable. It smells so good. Look at it. It's like not blue anymore. This one I'm going to add some more soap maybe. And I add some more soap in it. Right, please. Okay, that's enough. Then just stir that in. And I'm going to get some, my shower gel. This would be so cool. So then you just stir it in. I have no clue how this is going to turn out. It's okay. I have no clue what it is. I don't know if it is slime. Okay, I might add in some more shower gel. No, it's gonna come through. This is so cool. Yeah, that's enough. Then just stir it. Okay, it's definitely running out very slime yet. Then you can add in some more, soap, yeah, as well. Ready? I don't think so. No. Okay. Let's stir that in again. So, got more shower gel to put in. I'm just going to do this. I don't know why I just want to do it like this. This is basically shower gel. Soap and the gun. Okay. My mum just got home. So that is done. I have finished that. I have finished that slime. I'm just going to put it in the fridge or freezer for a few minutes. Yeah, which I'm going to do right now. But then I'm going to take it out and I'll show you in the next video. So, yes, that's one is done. I'll put it in the freeze. I don't know where I'm going to put that button. But now I'm going to be doing another one. Why did I just do that? I'm going to be doing another one. Well, oh, here they are. Looking for balls. But this one, well, yeah, my other one I'll maybe do in another video. Thank you so much for watching. I love this slime. I think it's so fun. I'll show you what it looks like after it's been in the fridge for a long time. Just keep it in there for a long time. You can put it in the freezer for less time. Whoa. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Oh, it smells like a wall. Is that food dye? Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below if you want me to do a slime collection video. Also comment down below if I don't know. Comment down below if you want to. I don't care. Just comment down below. Yeah, comment down below. I do not care. 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 My hair is do not care. Do not care. Why am I doing this? It's just so cool. My tablet is not laggy right now, so I'm having a really funny 5 minutes. Literally, I'm so happy that it's not laggy. It's not laggy at all right now, which is... Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Whoa. Food colouring. Oh, it's so messy. Remember to subscribe, like, comment. Oh yeah, subscribe, like, and comment. Bye, WizFam. If you want a shout out, comment down below, and then I'll give you a shout out on my next video. I'll try and do some shout outs at the end of every video. So it could be like shout outs at the end of every video. So, yes. Bye, guy. Bye, Wisdom. Bye, Wisdom. Well, I miss you. Honestly, yeah. That's better. Boy. Sorry, did I just do that? So fun. I'll show you. Yeah. I'll show you what my slime's like after it's been in the fridge. In the next video. Bye. Oh my gosh. I have to charge my tablet on. But who cares? Bye.